Check out the M&M store. It is now open here at Disney Springs, and you better call Slim Shady because looks like we got an M out. So I will not be telling you the prices of most of these things because they don't show the prices of most of these things. I like the mug. You know I like purple, but I like green too. Green, purple, and blue are my favorite colors. This used to be at the Florida Mall, but it closed and moved here. Isn't this lens so much nicer than the old one? Remember how jerky that was? They went all in on the Mickey M&Ms. So who is your favorite? Leave a comment below. M&M's shot glasses? Okay. It may not be easy being green, but wearing green, not too hard. So I have to ask, if you put milk in this, does it turn into chocolate milk? Look, if you buy two, you get one free. Sure you do. Wouldn't be Disney without pins. These are coin purses for those who still use cash. And of course, this store can't be all for adults. You gotta get kids stuff too. I'll be honest, this looks more like Skittles. Whoa, check out the hat, man. That's kind of clever. I'll have to say, that's kind of clever. And, as usual, socks. M&M's mirror. I wonder what this is going to be. So they've got a webcam on a slider. And it's really hard to see. That's just weird. Okay. Fudge brownie M&Ms. Haven't heard of those before. Yeah. Very appropriate for Central Florida. Sorry again?
Yep. The small cup would be $10.99. The medium is $14.99. The large is $18.99. If you get a bag, it's going to be $15.98 per pound, and they'll weigh that at the register.
So how much for just one?
For just one, it's just the flat rate of these right here.
One M&M for $10.99. Wow, that's a lot.
One M&M would
I'm
be
probably
like
not going to do that. That's a bad deal.
fractions of a penny.
It's not just colors. There's various types of M&Ms with different insides. Caramel, peanut, pretzel, mini M&Ms. So many. They have mini M&Ms and mini M&Ms. And Skittles. Hey, how did they get in here? I love it. This whole store is M&Ms, and there's two things of Skittles. Shows you where their priorities are. By the way, Skittles way better than M&Ms. Uh-oh, sorry. Design your M&Ms. That's going to be interesting. So that is a look at the M&M store, now open here at Disney Springs. I actually didn't even realize it was open. It opened a little over a week ago. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.